The society is indeed stressed because of the daily activities and works needed to accomplish every day. The motivation of this research is the students who are totally experiencing stress in school and affects their mental, emotional, and social health, which may lead to depression and anxiety. What pushes this research is to help those individuals having a hard time experiencing stress. It will lead a big help for them to at least lessen the negative feeling they feel and to cope up with the stress and the way they communicate with other people.
What is the scope of the study? The study is focused on the effect of stress to the social behavior of grade 12 STEM students. The study covered the effect of stress and how does it affect the social behavior of grade 12 STEM students.
The limitation of the study shall involve to the effect of stress to the social behavior and how it shall affect everyone. The study was restrained into involving a large scale of respondents.
Research questions are important because it gives us support with the needs of our respondents about a certain topic, and also it gives us gaps and differences about the past studies.
Internet and survey. These two sources help us to gather data and information. Also, the sources became our evidence to prove our research study.
In research design, we selected the descriptive correlation design. The study was conducted in FINMA University of Pangasinan, Arellano Street, Dagupan City. We gathered data through investigating the grade 12 STEM 03A students who are involved to know the effects of stress to the social behavior. We determined the number of respondents with the use of the Slovine's formula. We also made a letter for the principal and the research advisor for the approval of conducting the survey and for the validity of the questions. At last, we carefully tallied, analyzed, and interpreted the results.
Our respondents are from the grade 12 STEM 03A. We made use of the Slovine's formula in order to determine the number of 47 respondents from the chosen section. The sampling method that we use is random sampling, and under it, we made use of fishbowl sampling.
The measurement instrument. These researchers made a letter for approval to conduct the study at FINMA University of Pangasinan, Arellano Street, Dagupan City. The study was conducted for 5 months with 47 grade 12 STEM students as respondents.
In our research, we found out that female students are more prone to stress than male students because male students are known to be more experimental than female. Second, according to the stress level of the respondents, they are highly experiencing high level of stress. And third, for their social behavior, they are moderately experiencing hardship in communicating and dealing with other people.
The results. It may be similar to other research, but our work contains distinctive results that can help the people who are suffering from stress and help them how to manage and lessen the stresses.
Based on our findings, we recommend that both government and schools must conduct a symposium in regards on what causes stress and how to cope up with it.
The importance of this study is for the society and to the sector belonging to it, for it gives enough information and awareness about the stress and social behavior of a well-being. It will be beneficial to the students for this study gives them awareness in their surroundings and also for the teachers and parents for it gives them knowledge and information to think of a possible way to help the students to cope up with stress. It will also help the overall improvement of an individual. This study will also help the researchers to determine the stress and social behavior relationship.
Nothing really. If I were going to conduct the same study, same place, the same respondents will be chosen. Therefore, the same result will be the same as the first study.
If I would go back to the start of our research, I would advise to have at least one section from two different strands, so that we cannot see not just the relationship between the stress and social behavior, but also we can see the difference between two sections in leveling stress.